But did you know that Peru is known for their street sandwiches? This is J28.
Here comes the beef.
This place is just amazing. The people that open it obviously show the love that they have for their cuisine.
Making the turkey sandwich.
I stumbled across J28 2.5 years ago. Been coming here ever since.
A lot of people don't understand the J28. July 28th is for...
It's the Peruvian Independence Day.
Yeah.
And we open on July 28 also.
So it's not just great food, it's Peruvian pride.
I've been to Peru, and the sandwiches here are always perfect.
Here's your chicharron sandwich.
The chicharron sandwich is one of a kind. The pork belly, it's made to perfection.
We're gonna make a pork belly chicharron sandwich.
That's right. We're gonna make the rolls.
Okay.
Flour, sugar, salt, yeast. Mix it a little bit as water goes in.
Okay.
After 2 minutes, we add shortening.
We'll let this mix how much longer?
10 minutes more
And then we'll cut it, proof,
for 2 hours.
and then we'll bake.
For 20 minutes.
Got it. Where are we at?
So this is our fire sauce. In Peru, is usually this pepper, the rocoto peppers.
I got you.
We took this other pepper called limo. This is spicier than this one, but
Okay.
both together, the combination is really
Yeah,
good.
I bet.
Salt, oil.
And a little water. Let's see it.
So this is the marinade for our pork belly sandwich. Ginger, oregano, 5 spices, brown sugar, salt and pepper.
Ají amarillo.
That's right. Ají panca paste,
Ají panga.
garlic paste, red wine vinegar, soy sauce.
How long is this gonna marinate in the pork belly?
Overnight.
Then we're gonna boil it in the marinade and water.
Drain the water and we fry it.
Crispy, slice it, go.
That's right.
All right, let's see it, Chef.
Our beautiful rosetta roll. Listen to this. The crunchy,
I hear the crunchy.
the mayo, sweet potato,
Okay.
the pieces of pork belly on top, pickled onions pickled with a little bit of lime juice, has some cilantro also,
And the fire sauce.
carrots. This is our sandwich.
Look at that. I have to smash it down. I can't get my fat mouth on my fat sandwich. When I think of chicharron, I think of Mexican chicharron, the crunchy skin.
Yep.
The bread gives me that crunch. After that, you get that creaminess of the sweet potato, the much-needed acid of the onion, and the tender, juicy pork, and then the little icing on top, that pepper sauce. This is fantastic.
Thank you so much.
You want to eat more. You want to eat the other half. You want to eat the one that the person next to you is not finished yet.
All right, chicharron coming up.
I taste the pork. I definitely taste the onions. All the flavors just pop.
The bread has a nice like crunch on the outside, but it's very fluffy inside.